हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम करेंगे कम्युनिटी हेल्थ नर्सिंग के बेस्ट एमसीक्यू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द प्राइमरी गोल ऑफ कम्युनिटी हेल्थ नर्सिंग ए क्योर डिजीज, बी प्रमोट एंड मेंटेन हेल्थ, सी प्रोवाइड हॉस्पिटल केयर, डी कंडक्ट रिसर्च। राइट आंसर बी प्रमोट एंड मेंटेन हेल्थ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का राइट आंसर बी प्रमोट एंड मेंटेन हेल्थ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, द फोकस ऑफ प्राइमरी हेल्थ केयर इज ऑन ए स्पेशलाइज्ड केयर, बी हॉस्पिटल बेस्ड केयर, सी कम्युनिटी बेस्ड केयर, डी एडवांस मेडिकल केयर। सेकंड का राइट आंसर बताएं। सी कम्युनिटी बेस्ड केयर। सेकंड का द फोकस ऑफ प्राइमरी हेल्थ केयर ऑन कम्युनिटी बेस्ड केयर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, द कंसेप्ट ऑफ हेल्थ फॉर ऑल वाज इंट्रोडक्टेड बाय ए वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन WHO, यूनाइटेड नेशन UN, यूनिसेफ, डी रेड क्रॉस। राइट आंसर है 3 का ए वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन WHO वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, इम्यूनाइजेशन प्रोग्राम इज कम्युनिटी हेल्थ नर्सिंग फोकस ऑन ए प्रिवेंटिंग इन्फेक्शन डिजीज, बी ट्रीटिंग chronic disease, C providing surgical care, D managing mental health issues. Right answer 4 का A preventing infections disease. Question number 5, the community health nurse used epidemiology to A conduct laboratory test, B investigate disease outbreak, C administered medication, D develop new treatments. Right answer है B investing disease outbreaks. Question number 6, which principle is the foundation of community health nursing? A client centered care, B family centered care, C community centered care, D evidence based care. Right answer 6 का C community centered care. Question number 7, which of the following is a component of primary health care? Curative care, B health education, C specialist consult, D tertiary care. Right answer है B health education. Question number 7 का B health education. Right answer है B health education. Question number 8, which term refers to the occurrence of a disease in excess of normal expectancy? A epidemic, A endemic, B epidemic, C pandemic, D sporadic. Right answer है B epidemic. Question number 9, the expanded program of on immunization EPI focused on adult with chronic disease, B elderly individual, C children under 5-year-old, D adolescent. Right answer है C children under 5 years old. Question number 10, what is the most effective method of controlling malaria in a community? A antibiotic administration, B use of insecticide treatment nets, C chemotherapy, D vaccination. Right answer 10 का B use of insecticide treatment nets. Question number 11, the term herd immunity refers to A immunity acquired by a single individual, B immunity achieved through vaccine, C population immunity against a disease, D immunity passed for mother to child. Right answer 11 का C population immunity. Question number 12, the most common indicators of community health is birth rate, infant mortality rate, disease prevalence rate, D morbidity rate. Right answer B infant mortality rate. Question number 12 का right answer B infant mortality rate. Question number 13, which of the following is an example of primary prevention? A early diagnosis, rehabilitation, C vaccination, D surgery. Right answer 13 का C vaccination. प्राइमरी प्रिवेंशन है वैक्सीनेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, विच इज द मेन फोकस ऑफ सेकेंडरी प्रिवेंशन? ए रिहेबिलिटेशन, बी हेल्थ प्रमोशन, सी प्रिवेंशन ऑफ कॉम्प्लिकेशन, डी अर्ली डिटेक्शन ऑफ डिजीज. राइट आंसर है 14 का D. Early detection of disease. Secondary prevention. Question number 15. What is the role of community health nurse in disaster management? A. Provide first aid of emergency care. B. Administer curative treatment. C. Focus on hospital management. D. Conduct only health education. Right answer A. Question number 16. Which agency is primarily responsible for global health initiatives? A. UNICEF. B. WHO. C. FAO. D. UNESCO. Right answer B. WHO. Question number 16 का right answer B. WHO. Question number 17. The process of involving community members in health care decision is now as health empowerment. B. Social work. C. Community participation. D. Case management. Right answer 17 का C. Community participation. Right answer community participation. Question number 18. What is the key component of a health promotion program? A. Disease diagnosis. B. Surgical intervention. C. Genetic screening. D. Behavior modification. Right answer D. Behavior modification. Question number 18 का behavior modification. Question number 19. Which is a example of tertiary prevention? A. Immunization. B. Routine health checkup. C. Rehabilitation service. Or D. A disease surveillance. Right answer है 19 का C. Rehabilitation service. 19 का C. Question number 20. Which disease is targeted by DOTS strategy? A. HIV AIDS. B. Tuberculosis. C. Malaria. D. Measles. Question number 20 का right answer है B. Tuberculosis. DOTS strategy B. Tuberculosis. Question number 21. The main object of maternal and child health programs is A. Improve hospital facilities. B. Reduce maternal and child mortality. C. Increase health staff. और D है decrease birth rate. Right answer 21 का B. 22. Which is a essential elements of safe water supply? A. Chlorination. B. Regular boiling. C. Filtration. D. All of above. 22 का right answer D. All of the above. Question number 23. The baby friendly hospital invited focus on breastfeeding promotion. B. Neonate care facility. C. Vaccination programs. D. Nutritional supplement. 23 का right answer है A. Breastfeeding promotion करना. Question number 24. Which waste is categorized? A. Biohazards. A. Kitchen waste. B. Medical syringes. C. Plastic bottles. D. Paper waste. Right answer 24 का B. Medical syringes. Question number 25. Which types of immunity is provided by a vaccine? A. Passive immunity. B. Active immunity. C. Nature immunity. D. Genetic immunity. Right answer 25 का B. Active immunity. Question number 26. Next question 26. A vectors is a organism that A. causes disease directly. B. transmitted disease from one host to another. C. provide immunity. D. reduce infection. 26 का right answer B. transmits disease from a host to another. Question number 27. The main method of preventing HIV transmission is A. avoiding mosquito bites. B. safe sex practice. C. vaccination. D. water purification. Right answer 27 का B. Question number 28. Which is an example of a communicable disease? A. hypertension. B. diabetes. C. tuberculosis. डी ओस्टोप्रोसिस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 28 का राइट आंसर सी ट्यूबरकुलोसिस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 द रिकमेंडेड स्पेसिंग between pregnancy for better maternal health is A. at least 6 months, B. at least 2 years, C. at least 1 year, D. at least 3 years। राइट आंसर 29 का B। 30 which vitamins deficiency cause night blindness? A. vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin K। राइट आंसर 30 का A, vitamin A। नाइट blindness vitamin A deficiency। Question number 31 the most common method of health education in a community? A. lecture method, B. one-on-one counseling, C. mass media communication, D. group discussion। राइट आंसर 31 का C, mass media communication। Question number 32 what is the primary focus on sanitation programs? A. hospital hygiene, B. environment cleanliness, C. water purification, D. vector controls। right answer 32 का B, environmental cleanliness। question number 33 a cold chain is used to maintain the potency of A. antibiotic, B. vaccine, C. vitamins, D. hormones। right answer 33 का right answer 33 B, vaccines। question number 34 what is the normal duration of exclusive breastfeeding? A. 3 months, B. 6 months, C. 9 months, D. 12 months। right answer है B, 6 months। 34 6 months। question number 35 the primary goal of health surveillance is to A. prevent the spread of disease, treat illness, train health workers, provide vaccination। right answer 35 का A, prevent the spread of disease। thanks for watching। वीडियो लाइक करें, शेयर